Vancouver. 1. Vancouver is a city located in British Columbia, Canada. 2. It is known for its stunning natural beauty, its mild climate, and its diversity. 3. Vancouver is a great place to go hiking, camping, kayaking, and surfing. 4. The city is home to a variety of beaches, mountains, and forests. 5. Vancouver has a mild climate, with average temperatures ranging from 50 degrees 10 degrees C in the winter to 75 degrees 24 degrees C in the summer. 6. Vancouver is a truly cosmopolitan city, and it is a must-see for any visitor to Canada.